Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Tonkeeper Ton wallet account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tonkeeper Ton wallet application. You can see over here Tonkeeper is opened. You'll be able to see two options over here, create new wallet and import existing wallet. If you already have an account, you can tap on the option import existing wallet. But if you want to create the account, simply tap on the option create new wallet. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to create new passcode. Simply enter the passcode. Now you'll have to re-enter your passcode. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can enable notifications over here, or you can also do it later. Simply tap on the later option that you can see at the top right corner. Now you can see over here your account is created. So that is how you create Tonkeeper Ton wallet account. Backup Tonkeeper recovery phrase. So in order to back up the recovery phrase, all you have to do is go to settings, tap on the settings icon that you can see at the top right corner. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Find the option for backup, tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see option for backup manually. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Read these informations very carefully. Now tap on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your passcode. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the recovery phrase over here. You can screenshot it. Simply press on the volume down button and power off button. You can see over here it will be screenshotted. Now click on the option check backup. Now you'll have to enter the words right over here. Check the screenshot. Enter the words according to the order. Now after you've entered the words, tap on the done option. You can see over here your recovery phrase has been backed up. Now tap on the option show recovery phrase. Tap on the continue option. Enter your passcode. Now you'll be able to see the recovery phrase over here. At bottom you'll be able to see the option for copy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now paste this recovery phrase somewhere. I'm going to paste it in my note. Now whenever you're trying to log into your account, they will ask you for the recovery phrase. All you have to do is paste this recovery phrase. So that is how you backup Tonkeeper recovery phrase by Toncoin on Tonkeeper wallet. Now on the home page you'll be able to see several options over here. You can see option for send, receive, scan, swap, buy and sell, stake. All you have to do is tap on the option buy and sell. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're in the buy interface. At the top left corner you'll be able to see your country symbol. If you want to change it, you can simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you can tap on the country of your choice. Now you'll be able to see the option for buy ton over here. You'll also see third-party service providers. Tap on the option show all and you'll be able to see all the service providers over here. All you have to do is tap on the service provider of your choice. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here I've selected MoonPay service provider. You can see option open MoonPay. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the official website of the MoonPay service provider or any service provider that you have chosen. You can see over here it is being loaded. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the conversion amount over here. You can enter the amount of which you want to buy the ton. Simply tap on this box. Now you'll be able to enter the amount. Now tap on the continue option. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll have to enter your email over here. Basically, you'll have to create an account in the particular website of the service provider. And then you'll have to choose the payment type. Complete the transaction and you'll be able to buy the Toncoin. So that is how you buy Toncoin on Tonkeeper wallet. Withdraw money from Tonkeeper. So if you also want to withdraw money from Tonkeeper, now on the home page you'll be able to see several options over here. Simply tap on the option buy and sell. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the buy interface. Switch to the sell interface. Simply tap on the sell option that you can see at the top. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see option for sell done over here. Tap on the option show all. Here you'll be able to see the two platforms. Now tap on the platform of your choice. Here I'm tapping on the second platform, that is Event Chains. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the option for opening the platform. Simply tap on it. You can see over here I do not have sufficient fund, but if you have sufficient fund you'll be led to another kind of interface. There you can enter the amount of ton that you want to sell, and there you'll also be able to see the conversion amount that you'll receive. You'll have to provide the bank details and other informations. Wait for the transaction to be processed. It usually takes about few minutes. After that you'll be able to withdraw the money. So there's another way too. Simply go back. On the home page you'll be able to see the option for send. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to enter the address or name of the recipient. Simply enter the wallet address of your account. You can provide the wallet address of your Binance account. If you provide the wallet address of your Binance account, simply tap on the continue option. Then switch to the Binance application, go to trading section, and then go to withdraw section. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw, provide the bank details and other informations. Wait for the transaction to be processed. After that, you'll be able to withdraw money from TonKeeper. So that is how you withdraw money from TonKeeper. Change theme on TonKeeper. So if you also want to change theme on TonKeeper, now at the top right corner you'll be able to see the option for settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several settings options over here. Find the option for theme. After you find the option for theme, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here 4 types of option will pop up. There are 4 options: deep blue, dark, light and system. You can see over here my current theme is deep blue. Now tap on the option of your choice. I'm tapping on dark. You can see over here the theme is changed. If I tap on the light option, you can see over here the theme will be changed to light. If you tap on system option, the theme will be adjusted according to your mobile's theme. So that is how you change theme on TonKeeper. Change TonKeeper wallet name and icon. So if you also want to change TonKeeper wallet name and icon, now at the top right corner you'll be able to see the settings icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several settings options over here. At top you'll be able to see the option for wallet. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to customize your wallet. You can see the wallet name over here. Simply tap on it. Now you can change the name. Here you can also see several color options. Tap on the color of your choice. Now here you'll be able to see several icons too. Scroll down to see more options. You can also see emoticons. Tap on the icon of your choice. Now tap on the save option that you can see at the bottom. Now go back. Now look at top. You can see over here your TonKeeper wallet name and icon is changed. So that is how you change TonKeeper wallet name and icon. Find TonKeeper wallet address. So if you also want to find TonKeeper wallet address, now at the top you can see option for wallet. If you tap on it, drop down menu will appear. Simply tap on the option wallet. You can see this kind of options will appear. You'll be able to see all the available wallets over here. Tap on the specific wallet of which you want to see the address. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see the current balance, and just below it, you'll be able to find the TonKeeper wallet address. If you tap on it, you can see over here the wallet address is copied. Now you can use this address for depositing or withdrawing the funds from your TonKeeper wallet. And for more details, you can go to settings. Simply tap on the settings option that you can see at the top right corner. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Scroll down. Find the option for address update. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you can see more details about your TonKeeper wallet address. You'll also be able to see the old address and new address. If you tap on the address, you can see over here it will be copied. So that is how you use Return Keep Return wallet account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.